Welcome to Landspot. Today I bring you a 0.66 acre lot in Roswell, Chaves County, New Mexico. This property has power available and is easily accessible through a paved road. Chaves County is located in the Midwest in New Mexico. Roswell is a 50,000 resident town very well known by the UFO enthusiasts. This parcel is a great investment because it is ready for both uses, residential or recreational. The property is located 1 minute away from 285 highway and it is easily accessible through Lazy OJ paved road. The closest gas station is only 7 minutes away from the lot, but there are many more options around in the area. 24 miles away from the property is Bottomless Lakes State Park, where you can enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, swimming, and picnicking around a series of deep lakes formed by sinkholes. If you're in Roswell, you definitely don't want to miss the International UFO Museum and Research Center. Roswell has been famous since 1947 for the UFO phenomena, and this museum exhibits lots of it. This 0.66 acre lot in Roswell, New Mexico is $13,500, and there are two ways to purchase it. The first one is through financing, in which you would have to give a down payment of $379 with 35 cents due today, and the rest will be divided among 36 monthly payments. Just click here to proceed to the payment, fill out with your banking information, and now the property has been reserved just for you. If you prefer to pay in full, you would have to give a down payment of $500 due today, and the remaining $13,000 should be paid within the next 3 following days, when our team will get in touch with you with all the details on the purchase agreement. If you have more questions about this or other properties, feel free to call us or text us at 310-853-1455. Don't miss your opportunity to get your hands on this 0.66 acre lot in Roswell, New Mexico, and enjoy the outdoor living.